So we have a new AI video generator in the market which can convert your images to captivating animations from this to this, and also can transform your videos to any other style like this to this. So yeah, we are talking about the new AI tool in the market, which is Kaiber AI. So Kaiber AI is basically an advanced AI art generation engine that allows users to create visual stories as well as animations, videos, and much more. So in this video, we're gonna explore Kaiber AI, talk about all these features like text to video, photo to video, video to video, and as well as audio to video, okay? So without further ado, let's just jump right into it and explore this amazing AI ultimate video generator. Alright, so first of all, you need to go ahead and jump on this website, Kaiber AI, and this is a very cool homepage or interface of Kaiber AI where you say discover the artist within you. So they claim that this is the ultimate AI video generator ever produced in the market. So that is really, really cool. And then you can see it's a very cool interface. So it says visit the gallery, so you can go ahead and visit the gallery and see the videos that people have already created by Kaiber AI. So these videos are really, really cool. You also provide you the prompt along with that as well. And after that, all right, so if you want to go ahead and jump into the homepage, you need to go ahead and click on Start Free Trial. And now I'll be showing you how you can go ahead and get access to Kaiber AI, like the full version, like free, literally without paying any money, right? So first of all, you need to go ahead and sign up with Google really quickly. All right, so we are all signed up. So now it's saying welcome to Kaiber AI. So you're just gonna go ahead and click next, fill in the information according to need. All right, so we are all set now. So right off the bat, it's saying Transform 2.0 and Motion 2.0 available now. So we're gonna go ahead and test out these features in a moment. So yeah, this is basically the interface of Kaiber AI. So this is the free version, right? So you get 60 credits, which aren't enough for making videos and testing out this whole AI tool. So now let's just go ahead and see how you can get the free version like without paying any money. So basically what it is, Kaiber AI provides you a 7-day trial. So you can go ahead and subscribe Kaiber AI for $5 per month, but the first 7 days will be free. So you'll get 7-day free trial, you'll get 100 credits, and then after 7 days, you can go ahead and pay $5. But I think 7 days are enough to test out this amazing AI tool, right? All right, so now let's just go ahead and jump into the features of this amazing AI tool, Kaiber AI, okay? All right, so first of all, right off the bat, this is the homepage, and here you can see we have different features. So we have Flipbook, we have motion and transform. All right, so now first of all, let's just go ahead and see the first feature, which is text to video, right? So for access and text to video, you just need to go ahead and click on this start writing prompt. So here, the interface is really cool, and this AI tool basically doesn't require any prompting techniques at all. So it basically provides everything right off the bat. So it's saying, I want to create a video of you just need to describe the subject, and you just need to describe the style of your subject. That's it. And your whole AI video will be generated out of that. So that is really, really cool, okay? Okay, so for the first example, let's just say we want to create a subject which is a young British woman, and in the style, so let's just go ahead and choose styles from here. So we have very cool curated styles collection over here. So let's just say we want to select Lost. Okay, so this one looks very good. And then we have few more options of video settings. And here you can go ahead and drag and drop your audio here. So you can basically go ahead and create videos out of your song or any audio as well, which is really amazing. So let's just go ahead and explore first text to video. Then we're going to go ahead and explore the audio to video then. Then I'm just going to go ahead and click on my video settings. So we have a video duration. So yeah, now you can go ahead and select video duration from anywhere you want. So let's just say for the first example, I'm just going to go ahead and do 10 seconds. All right, so this looks good. Then you can go ahead and select aspect ratio. So let's just say I want a landscape. So 16:9 looks fantastic. Then we have camera movement. So camera movement is really good. So now what you can do is you can basically go ahead and adjust your camera movement according to your video. So let's just say I want a zoom in effect in my video. So I'm just going to go ahead and select that. And then you can go ahead and click on this evolves. The low you're going to select is going to be more stable, and the higher is going to be more wild. So I think the 4 is good as it is. Then we have boomerang feature as well. Boomerang, we always know like it's an Instagram feature. So video plays forward for half duration, then in reverse. So I'm not going to select it. No, thank you. All right. And then you can go ahead and generate previews just to check out the previews first of all. And after that, it will give you the option to create videos. So everything, the whole format, the whole step-by-step guide is really amazing of this AI feature. Like you don't get lost in any of these things. You just need to go ahead and like select the style, select everything, and it will create step-by-step AI generated video for you. All right, so here are our previews. So this is the first one. This is the second one. This was a young British woman in the style of Lost. So it is kind of a cartoonish look of Lost that we just selected. So let's just say I'm very much liking the fourth variation over here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and select this. And now I can just go ahead and create video out of that as well, which is really, really amazing. Okay, so let's just go ahead and create video and see the output of this now. All right, so it's preparing our generation. Go ahead and wait for a bit, crafting our masterpiece. All right, so here you go, guys. Our video is generated, and oh my God, I'm literally amazed and shocked by the results. So this is our 10-second video. Let me just go ahead and open this in full screen and show the results to you guys. So here is a video we generated of a British woman. So the effect was zoom in effect, and this looks absolutely perfect, right? So every detail, everything, like style is literally to the point. So yeah, this is what they were talking about, the ultimate AI video generator. All right, so now let's just go ahead and talk about the next feature, which is photo to video. Okay, so now you can go ahead and add fluidity in your animations. All right, so this is a very amazing feature as well. And this amazing AI tool literally took that to the entire next levels. All right, so for that, I'm just going to go ahead and click on motion, and this will basically give me an option to upload an image, and you can now basically go ahead and upload image to your Kaiber AI, and it will basically change that into cool, amazing, captivating animations. Okay, so for the first example, let's just say if I go ahead and add image of this woman who is basically like singing something or doing something. So this is a very cool picture that I generated out of DALL-E 3, and now I can go ahead and click on edit your prompt, right? So this will basically give me the same interface where I can create a video of, I can describe the subject, I can describe the style, and after that, it will go ahead and create a video for me out of that, which is really, really amazing, okay? All right, so let's just say I want to create a video of, and the subject is gonna be mythical beings, right? Let's just go ahead and do that. And a style is gonna be, I'm just gonna go ahead and select style as intergalactic. Okay, this one looks interesting. And now I can go ahead and go to my video settings, so we can go ahead and select a video duration, evolve, and motion. Okay, so let's just say I just want to go ahead and set evolve as 3 this time and motion as 6 this time. Okay, let's just to see what kind of output is going to provide me. And now I can go ahead and click on generate previews. So it will go ahead and generate the previews for me. So then I can go ahead and decide between those previews and generate the video from my image that I uploaded in my first step. Okay. All right. So here are the previews. So for the mythical beings, right? I think these images look good and everything is to the point. But what I think I'm really much liking the third variation, okay? So go, or the fourth one. Yeah, the fourth one looks good. So now I can go ahead and click on create video, and then we'll see the output, like what kind of output is going to give it to us. All right, so preparing our generation, we're just going to go ahead and wait for a second for that. So the summary, basically providing summary like mythical beings in the style of intergalactic. Okay, so this prompt looks interesting. I'm very much curious to see what kind of output I'm going to get out of that. All right, so here you go, guys. So our video is generated out of the image that we provided. So take a look at this image. This looks absolutely perfect, just the way we wanted. So this was a mythical beings in the style of intergalactic. So yeah, I'm very much amazed by the image it provided. And yeah, right off the bat, this is the perfect output. Like take a look at the candle, the lamps, everything, like everything is animated to the point, like right off the bat, right? All right, so for photo to video feature, let's just go ahead and try one more example. This image will be photorealistic, like, you know, a realistic portrait kind of example. So I've taken this image of a woman who is standing on the beach. This is a very amazing image. It was generated from DALL-E 3, and I'm just going to go ahead and edit my prompt, and I want to create a video of like our studio. So I want our studio instead of the beach behind the woman, and the style is gonna be photorealistic, like hyper realistic, high dynamic range, rich colors, lifelike textures, HKUHD. All right, so let's just go ahead and create the video. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my video settings, let it do that like 6 seconds because I don't want to waste like much of my credits. And let's just go ahead and generate previews and see the previews first of all. All right, so here are the previews, as you guys can see. So we have, you know, like the art studio sir has basically changed the clothes out of the woman in some kind of art studio. So from here, I think I'm very much liking, I think the third image, right? The third image looks very good. Like the skies are good. And the first one looks good as well. But the third one, the skin texture and everything is to the point, okay? And now let's go ahead and create a video out of that and see the output, like how good it will look for our photorealistic style, okay? All right, so here we go, guys. Take a look at this. This image look absolutely perfect, just the way you want it. And you know what? Our prompt was our studio in the style of photorealist, hyperrealistic, high dynamic range. So dynamic range is high, rich colors, lifelike textures, HKUHD, high color depth, Nikon D850, Kodak Portra 400, Fujifilm X3. So just like that, it provided us the best output. Like this video, like the AI generated video look absolutely perfect, just the way we want it, okay? All right, so now let's talk about the feature of converting audio to video. So now with Kaiber AI, you can go ahead and convert your audio into fantastic, captivating AI animations or video, which is really amazing. So for that, you need to go ahead and click on this audio feature right over here. And after that, you need to go ahead and select a song. So let's just say I go ahead and select this song that I generated out of Suno AI a couple of days before. Everything feels just right. Alright, and after that, I'm just going to go ahead and click on edit your prompt. And now you can go ahead and create a video out of like your described subject and described style. Okay, so let's just say I want to create a video. Let's just say I want to type over here that a young beautiful lady singing romantic song. Okay, let's just go ahead and do that. And in the style, I want the style to be, let's just say, Pechora graffiti. Okay, this one looks interesting, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go to my video settings now. So now you can go ahead and select the aspect ratio. So let's say my aspect ratio, I want that to be 16:9, and the camera movement, I want my camera to be let's just say zoom out. I want the zoom out effect. And to make this audio reactive, let's go ahead and do this medium. And now let's just go ahead and generate the previews and see what kind of previews gonna create for my audio only. All right, so these are the previews that it generated for us for the audio, right? So in that, I think I'm very much liking the last one because, you know, this looks very good. Just like the summary that we provided for our audio in the prompt, okay? And now I'm just gonna go ahead and create video, and let's see the output of this one now. All right, so here we go. Our video has been generated. Let's just go ahead and take a look at this video. All right, so for the audio that we inputted for that, this video looks absolutely perfect. Also providing zoom out effect that we put in our video setting. And for that, I think this video is absolutely perfect, just the way we want it, okay? Take a look at this. I'm lost in the warmth of your gentle touch. In this moment, everything feels just right. Wrapped in your arms, I'm sheltered from mine. With every breath, our love story unfolds. In this cozy love, I'm never gonna let go. Alright, so now last, let's talk about this feature of video to video. So now you can basically go ahead and transform an existing video to a new style video, right? Which is really amazing. So for that, let's just go ahead and click on transform. And after that, it's saying drag video here, upload file, max length 1 minute. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload a video. So for the first example, let's just take this example of a model that I took video of her online. So this is basically just, you know, like a cinematic footage of a model. So I'm just going to go ahead and edit that just to see the output, like how good it's going to perform. And for the prompt style, let's just say I want the style as City Park. And for the prompt subject, let's just say the prompt subject is going to be City Park. And in the style of, let's just say I want to do that in 3D rendering. Okay, all right, so let's just go ahead and go to video settings. It will be 4, okay, and the version is going to be 1. Okay, let's just go ahead and do 2.0. Let's just see the latest of the version of that. Okay, and now I'm just going to go ahead and create a video out of that to see the output. All right, so take a look at this. This is absolutely perfect, like very, very realistic, just the way we want it. So we have now a city park. in the style of 3D Octane Render 8K Ray Tracing Blender Hyper Detail. For that, this video looks absolutely perfect, okay? Alright, and now if you go ahead and compare both of these videos, so this was our initial video and this is the final one. So these basically looks absolutely perfect. Like that is why it is called the ultimate AI generator, because check out the results. Like, you know, everything is to the point. We have 3D render, like every minor detail, everything is absolutely perfect, okay? All right, and there you have it, guys. This was the exploration of the new free AI tool, Kaiber AI. So we talked about text to video, photo to video, audio to video, and video to video feature of Kaiber AI. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care, bye-bye.